When we map our profile data with individuals, we also have to map the touch points present in that profile data with contact point data model objects. What are these touch points? Suppose we are bringing a Salesforce lead to data 360. What are the steps we will follow? We will create a data stream with that Salesforce lead. It will get a data lake object for us. That data lake object, we will map it with a lead object, that is a default object within data 360. But we also know that lead is a profile category data, and we might use that lead for identity resolution. So we will map that lead data with individual object as well. But that lead has some touch points which will help you reach that lead. That lead might have phone number, email address, physical mailing address like postal code, city, country. That lead might have social handles like Instagram handle, X handle, Facebook handle. So all these are touch points you have in a particular profile data. These touch points should also be mapped to contact point data model objects. For each kind of touch point, we have one kind of contact point data model object. Like we have contact point email, we have contact point phone, we have contact point address, we have contact point social. So all these are the contact point data model objects which will be used to map touch points from individual data, the profile data. So if that lead has email address, we also have to map it with contact point email data model object. If it has phone number, we have a contact point phone data model object in data 360 which you have to map. If that lead has physical mailing address like postal code, city, country, we have contact point address data model object in data 360 which you have to map. If that lead is having social channels like Instagram handle, we have contact point social as data model object in data 360 which you have to map. Why we have to map all these things? Why we have to map touch points with all these contact point data model objects? Because while we work with identity resolution, the process will pick most reliable, most frequent and most trusted touch point from all these contact point data model objects and tie it to a unified individual ID. Contact point addresses helps you organize an individual data. It helps you organize the touch points which an individual has, so that it gives an accurate reconciliation process. It helps in accurate reconciliation process during the identity resolution process. So these contact point data model objects help you logically organize the data within data 360, keep the data model distributed, simple for system to predict, and give a perfect unified individual profile of a particular individual.